Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Kasoa, inside Hajia Futon residence. Here we did our gate for the customer, and then later we did the wall design for the customer, and then we did our electric fence, our 6-line electric fence, very beautiful and very clean as you can see. And then we also did our CCTV cameras. We installed 16 cameras. You can see over there, there's a camera there, and then there's another camera there. When we go inside, I'm going to show you. We have the place secured very well. Now all the cameras have colored night vision, meaning at night when the light around this place is very low, it triggers the infrared of the camera, which now comes colored. It also has an MDO microphone where it's able to record audio, so then the client is able to hear everything that goes on site. You understand? We also did garage for the customer. You can come. We did a garage door. We did a garage for the client, and then we're about to do our motor. So the motor is going to be here to operate the gate, and the client is able to operate the gate on a phone there, because we're about to fix our video intercom. Let me show you video doorbell. So the video intercom is going to be here. So we are installing the integrated video intercom system that allows the client to be able to speak to her guests wherever she is. She's not in Ghana, and she's able to speak to her guest there. So when you come, you press on the doorbell, she can speak to you and operate this gate to open. You understand? So we are giving her full automation. She has the house, the whole cameras on her phone. She has the intercom on her phone. She has the gate on her phone, and it's a full automation for you. If you want any project, whether you're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, or outside Ghana, make sure you give us a call. We are the best guys on the market with the best prices, and we do the best job. Thank you.